Hi students, good morning. This is the chemistry assignment based on psychometric calculations on 7th August 2020. Chemistry assignment. This is the very important assignment. Friends, don't miss it. Question number 1. Question number 1. The volume of CO2 evolved at STP on heating of 50 grams of CaCO3. 50 grams of CaCO3 heating. What is the volume of CO2? Volume of CO2. What is the volume of CO2 and 50 grams of CaCO3 decomposes? So here option 1, 11.2 liters. Option 2, 22.4 liters. And 5.6 liters. And fourth, 24.4 liters. What is the question, students? Volume of CO2 evolved at STP on eating 50 grams of CaCO3. CaCO3 decomposes to form CaO plus CO2. According to equation, 100 grams gives 1 mole of CO2. 1 mole of CO2 at STP conditions. At STP conditions, 22.4 liters. 1 mole of any gas occupies 22.4 liters. How many liters, students? 22.4 liters. 1 mole of any gas occupies 22.4 liters. 100 grams gives 22.4 liters of CO2. So 50 grams gives how much volume? 11.2 liters. What is the answer, students? 11.2 liters. So next question number 2. Magnesium react with half mole of oxygen to give X moles of magnesium oxide. Here X is the number of moles of magnesium oxide. What is the X? X is in this reaction. So Mg plus half O2 gives rise to MgO. Only 1 mole of MgO is formed in this reaction. How many moles, friends? 1 mole of magnesium oxide is formed. So 1 and 2 moles and 3 moles and 4 moles. How many moles are formed? Magnesium react with oxygen, half mole of oxygen to form magnesium oxide. So how many moles are formed? 1 mole. So what is the answer, students? 1. Next question number 3. So this is the very important question. Question number 3. Methane react with oxygen. What is the formula of methane, students? CH4 react with oxygen to form CO2 plus H2O. So balance the equation, students. Number of carbons equal to number of CO2 molecules. Water molecules equal to half of the hydrogen atoms. Here 4 are there. So 2 water molecules are formed. So how many oxygen atoms are there here? Here 2, here 2, total 4, 2 O2, 2 O2. So that is the balanced equation. If 10 liters of methane react with 20 liters of oxygen, 10 liters of oxygen, methane react with 20 liters of oxygen, then volume of CO2 is What is the volume of CO2? Volume of CO2 is in this reaction. So option 1, 20 liters. Option 2, 10 liters. Option 3, 30 liters. Option 4, 40 liters. 40 liters. CH4 plus oxygen, combustion of methane, this. So 1 mole of, according to equation, 1 mole of methane react with 1 mole of methane react with how many moles of oxygen? 2 moles of oxygen to produce 1 mole of CO2. That means 1 ml methane react with 2 ml of oxygen to give 1 ml of CO2, or 10 liters of methane react with 20 liters of oxygen to produce 10 liters of CO2. So according to equation 1 mole of methane react with 2 moles of oxygen, or 1 liter of methane react with 2 liters. 10 liters of methane react with 20 liters to produce 10 liters of CO2. So what is the answer, students? 10 liters of CO2 is released in this reaction. So next, question number 4. So very important question. This question is very useful for you. Don't miss it, students. 100 moles of KMNO4 react with 250 moles of 250 moles of oxalic acid. So formula is H2C2O4. And find out the if then number of moles of CO2, in this equation. Number of moles of CO2 is formed in this equation, in this reaction, in acidic medium. Which medium, students? In acidic medium. So here KMNO4 react with, so here answers 100 moles, 200 moles, and 300 moles, and 500 moles. So answer is 500 moles of it is get. Okay, students, first what is the equation? How to identify it? MnO4 minus plus C2O4 minus 2 plus, in acidic medium, H plus gives rise to Mn plus 2 plus CO2 plus water. So here hydrogens in form of water. So here MnO4 minus 4, here plus 7 oxidation number, here plus 2. How many electrons are transferred, students? 5 electrons. Plus 7 convert to plus 2. Difference is 5. 5 electrons are transferred in this reaction. So here 5. Difference is 5. So next, oxalate ion, 2 oxalate ions. Here 2 carbons are there, 2. So here plus 3. 2 into plus 3 convert to 2 into plus 4. So plus 6 convert to plus 4. Means convert here 5 electrons, here 2 electrons, have to multiply, cross multiply it as final equation. So 2 MnO4 minus plus 5C2O4 minus 2 plus H plus NH 2Mn plus 2 plus 10CO2 plus H2O. So how to balance the H plus and the water? So left side how many oxygens are there? Here 20 oxygens are there. Here 8 H2O. 8 H2O. 16 hydrogens are there. 16 H plus. This is the completed balanced equation. So in this equation, in this balanced equation, 2 moles of MnO4 minus react with 5 moles of oxalic acid to produce 10 moles of CO2. How many moles friends? 10 moles of CO2. So 1 mole of KMnO4 react with 5 moles. 100 moles of KMnO4 react with 500 moles. Okay, friends. 1 mole of KMnO4 produce 5 moles of CO2. 100 moles of KMnO4 produce 500 moles of CO2. So what is the question? 100 moles of KMnO4 react with 250 moles of oxalic acid. So 1 mole react with 2.5 and 100 moles react with 250. So exactly reacts, exactly neutralized to produce 500 moles of CO2. So this is the explanation of this question. This question is very, very important, friends. Don't miss it. So next question also very, very important. Statement type questions. Question number 5. Question number 5. Statement 1. Statement A. Limiting reagents. Which reagents, friends? Limiting reagents. Limiting reagent is react completely in the reaction. So next, B statement B, excess reagent is react completely in the reaction. This is the question number 5. Limiting reagent is react completely in the reaction. Limiting reagent means less amount when compared to required amount, very less amount is there. That reagent is called as the limiting reagent. That reagent is called as the limiting reagent. Very less amount when compared to required amount, that is called as limiting reagent. That is called as limiting reagent. For example, H2 plus of O2 gives rise to H2O. H2 plus of O2 gives rise to H2O. Here 1 mole of water is formed according to equation, balanced equation. So here 1 mole is taken. Here how many moles are formed? Here half mole increases 1 mole, here 1 mole is not increases. So when compared to O2, here hydrogen is very less. So this is the limiting reagent. So hydrogen is the limiting reagent, means when compared to required amount, here 1 mole, here required 2 moles. Here taken only 1 mole is there. So less amount is taken when compared to required amount. That type of reagent is called as liquid limiting agent. The type of reagent is called as limiting reagent. Limiting reagent. So excess reagent means extra quantity. Which one is taken extra quantity? Here 1. So here O2 is taken extra quantity. After completion of the reaction, some amount is left in the reaction, not completely consumed. That type of reagent is called as excess reagent. But this is the wrong statement. This is the correct statement. Which statements are correct? The statements are correct. So first one is correct. Only one is correct. So next, very, very important question number 6. X grams of NaOH is required to completely neutralize. X grams of NaOH is required to completely neutralized with 98 grams of H3PO4. What is the question, students? X grams of NaOH, X grams of NaOH completely neutralized with 98 grams of H3PO4. What is the weight of NaOH? That means X. What is the X? What is the X in this reaction? So options: 120 grams, 20 grams, 128, and 80 grams. So first I have to write the equation. NaOH react with H3PO4 to form Na3PO4 plus 3H2O. So 3 moles of NaOH is required to react with 1 mole of H3PO4. Here 3 into molecular weight of NaOH is 40. Here the molecular weight of H3PO4 is 98. So 120 grams of NaOH react with 98 grams of H3PO4. What is the answer, students? 120. Next, question number 7. So very, very important question this. Seventh question. Number of moles of CO2 gas is formed. Number of moles of CO2 gas formed when heating of Na to CO3 is, so here 10 moles, 20 moles, 40 moles, and 0 moles. What 10 moles, 20 moles, 40 moles, and 0 moles. So heating of Na to CO3 means 1 mole of Na to CO3 heated. That what is the question? So Na to CO3, not a decomposition, 0, no reaction. So this compound not decomposes. So So 0 moles of CO2 is formed in this reaction. 0 moles of CO2 is formed here. First group carbonates except lithium, remaining all carbonates are very more stable. So Na2CO3 and K2CO3, Na2CO3, K2CO3, Rb2CO3 and CH2CO3. These are most stable carbonates, does not produce any CO2 gas. Except these 4 carbonates, remaining all metal carbonates give CO2 gas. It's oxide plus CO2 gas. Except these 4 carbonates, remaining all carbonates give CO2 gas. This carbonate does not decompose. This carbonate does not decompose. It is a very, very important. Next, question number 8. Question number 8. Equal volumes of N2, equal volumes of N2 and H2 combine, react to form NH3 ammonia. Under suitable conditions, then limiting agent is, then the limiting agent is limiting reagent is H2, N2, NH3, all. Limiting agent. So what is the equation? N2 plus 3H2 gives rise to 2NH3. So this is the equation. So 1 volume, 1 liter react with 3 liters. Take the equal amount. So here 1 liter required 3, but very less amount is taken, but less amount that is completely consumed in the reaction. The limiting reagent that is completely consumed in the reaction. This is the less amount quantity, less amount reagent is easily consumed in the reaction. So this is the limiting agent. So hydrogen is the limiting agent. So 1 mole react with 3 moles. 1 liter react with 3 liters. But here 1 liter is given. 2 liters or less is given. Less amount is given. So this is the limiting agent. Hydrogen is the limiting agent in this reaction. So next, question number 9. This is a very easy and very, very important question. Question number 9. KClO3, 2 KClO3 gives rise to 2 KCl plus XO2. What is the X in this reaction? How many moles of oxygen is formed in this reaction? 2 KClO3 decomposes to KCl plus. How many oxygens are there? 6 oxygens. So 3 by 2 X in place of X, 3 by 2 or 3 O2. 3 O2 means 6 oxygens are there. How many moles of oxygen is formed in this reaction, students? So here very, very important point is not X here, easily balance the equation, but KClO3 decomposes, easily decomposes, give KCl plus O2. Which gas is released here? Oxygen gas is released. That is very, very important. How many moles here? X is 3. X is 3. Options 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 2. So what is the answer? Second option. So next 10th question, very, very important question. 2 grams of hydrogen react with, if 2 grams of hydrogen react with 16 grams of oxygen, 16 grams of oxygen, then find out the volume of water. Find out the volume of water. Volume of water is, if 2 grams of hydrogen react with 16 grams of oxygen to produce water, what is the volume of water? A density of water is equal to 1 gram per ml. So density is 1. So here option 1, 18 ml, 18 liters, 18 ml, and 22.4 liters and 22.4 ml. This is not a STP condition. This is a very, very important student, not a STP condition. So H2 plus half O2 gives rise to H2O. So H2 is a liquid here. So here 2 grams react with 16 grams of oxygen to produce 18 grams of water. 18 grams of water. So for density equal to 1, so 18 grams equal to 18 ml. 18 grams equal to 18 ml. 1 density equal to 1. Density equal to 1. 18 grams equal to 18 ml for water. So 2 grams of hydrogen react with 16 grams of water. What is the volume of water in this reaction? So in this reaction, 18 grams of water is produced. 18 grams of water is produced. So what is the volume of water? 18 ml. 18 ml. That is the very, very important stage. So next. So this is the assignment, 10 questions based on psychometric calculations. Okay, students, this is the very, very important assignment. Thank you, students. Thank you very much.